You know, there is the time when you are getting stuck with your routine life and not doing anything. Well, from last couple of months, I stuck in that kinda life and not doing any creative. Goa is the perfect place to live life of your dreams and re-inspire yourself. So I packed my bag and went to the bucket list hostel Goa, stayed there for 25 days and explored the places nearby Goa. So this is the video about what went down in that 25 days.
So this is the Arambol Beach and this is the Darpan, and yeah, this place is just amazing. Yeah, we are at this rock and the waves are coming from behind. The place is little bit scary. Yeah, so the place is scary and beautiful. Yeah, both of them, but we need to get some shots, so that's why.
It's been pleasure to visit amazing place like this. Until next time, Goa.